Good afternoon. I welcome one and all to Untold Botany. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the cell organelles of endomembrane system. Nothing but endoplasmic reticulum, which is abbreviated to ER. So ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum. ER was discovered by K.R. Porter. K.R. Porter was a scientist who discovered the ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Coming to the biogenesis of endoplasmic reticulum, this is produced by either pre-existing endoplasmic reticulum or the nuclear membrane or the cell membrane. So, in these three ways, endoplasmic reticulum is produced. So, endoplasmic reticulum, where it is present? Is it a localized cell organelle? Is it restricted to any part of the cell, or does it spread all over the cell? Is the question. Actually, this is not a localized cell organelle. It is spread all over the cell. Hence the name reticulum. Looks like a network. Here, endoplasmic reticulum, it consists of various components like cisternae, tubules or vesicles, such ones. All they make up a network in the cell. It spreads all over the cell. It forms a network. Hence, it is called endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum stands for net. As it is spread all over the cell, it involves in the intracellular transport, because all over the cell it is spread. So, from one part to the another part of the cell, the materials can be diffused through this. They can be transported through this endoplasmic reticulum. So, hence, this is said to be intracellular transport cell organelle. Within the cell, materials are transported. So, intracellular transport cell organelle or transport cell organelle, and the same is called cell skeleton or endoskeleton. So, cytoskeleton is different. That is a proteinaceous network. So, here it is cell skeleton. As it is spread all over the cell, it gives mechanical support to the cell. Hence, it acts as a skeleton. Hence, some now and then it is referred to as cell skeleton or endoskeleton. So, the endoplasmic reticulum is called as cell skeleton as it gives mechanical support to the cell as it spreads all over the cell. Coming to this cell organelle is called dimorphic cell organelle. Dimorphic means which is present in two different morphological forms like smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. As it exhibits two morphological forms, it is called as dimorphic cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. And here the significant role of the endoplasmic reticulum is it maintains the position of other cell organelles in the cell. As it is spread all over the cell, it maintains the position of other cell organelles. So, this is concerned with the maintenance of the positions of the other cell organelles. So, these are the significant points regarding the endoplasmic reticulum. Here, if you see the structure of endoplasmic reticulum in a cell, endoplasmic reticulum, it spread all over the cell and it divides the cell into two compartments, intraluminal, extraluminal. Intraluminal compartment is the part which is occupied by this endoplasmic reticulum, whereas the remaining portion is said to be extraluminal. So, this is a significant role. So, which cell organelle divides the cell into the two compartments known intraluminal, extraluminal. That is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the cell organelle which divides the cell into two compartments known as intraluminal and extraluminal. And coming to the, I said there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum known rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Any reticulum, it consists of three types known cisternae, tubules and vesicles. These are the components of the endoplasmic reticulum. Cisternae are flattened sacs which arranged parallelly, whereas the tubules are branched filamentous longer which measures about 50 to 100 micrometers, whereas the vesicles are vacuolar which measures 25 to 500 micrometers. All these components are present in the endoplasmic reticulum. Here, if you see the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is present near the nuclear membrane. This is why rough endoplasmic reticulum looks rough, because it consists of ribosomes. So, as ribosomes are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is called granular. Granules are nothing but ribosomes. So, granular endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum both are one and same. As ribosomes are present, it is described as granular. Whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, why the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is smooth? Because due to the absence of ribosomes. So, ribosomes are absent. So, when granules are absent, that is said to be agranular, no granules. Agranular endoplasmic reticulum, and this is granular endoplasmic reticulum. So, here ribosomes are present and ribosomes are absent. Which ribosomes are present is a question. Actually, in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotes, 80s ribosomes are present. That of prokaryotes, 70s ribosomes are present. Even 70s ribosomes are also present in eukaryotes in cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast. But whatever the cell organelles present on the endoplasmic reticulum, whatever the ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum are 80s type, not 70s type. So, three cell organelles consist of ribosomes. Ribosomes themselves, they are cell organelles. They are present in other cell organelles. Three cell organelles are there which contain ribosomes: mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria and chloroplast consist of 70s ribosomes which are present inside, whereas this endoplasmic reticulum consists of 80s ribosomes which are present on the surface externally in contact with cytoplasm, like this. So, the position of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is near the nuclear membrane, whereas the position of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is outside towards periphery. What is there at periphery? Nuclear membrane. So, near the, plasma membrane, cell membrane present. Towards the periphery, near the cell membrane, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum present. Towards the center, near the nuclear membrane, this rough endoplasmic reticulum is present. So, position of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, periphery of the cell. Position of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, center of the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is present here or is attached to the nuclear membrane, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the cell membrane. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is originated from the cell membrane, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum is originated from the nuclear membrane. So, here I said that 80s ribosomes are present. 80s ribosomes consist of two subunits known 60s and 40s. So, how, through which subunit this ribosome is attached to the nuclear membrane is a question. Yes, however, ribosomes are found attached to the nuclear membrane, but through which subunit of the ribosome it is attached to the nuclear membrane is a question. So, ribosomes always attach the nuclear membrane by their 60s subunits, their larger subunits, so 60s subunits. Okay, 60s subunits, they have transmembrane proteins, which are nothing but glycoproteins, that are riboforin 1 and ribofourin 2. Ribofourin 1 and ribofourin 2 are the transmembrane proteins which are present on the 60S subunit of the ribosome, through which this ribosomal subunit attaches the nuclear membrane. Coming to the molecular weight of the ribofourin 1, actually this is a glycoprotein, is 35,000 Daltons, whereas that of ribofourin 2 is 32,000 Daltons, the molecular weight. And here, these are made up of glycoproteins present in 60S subunits of the ribosomes. And here, if you see the rough endoplasmic reticulum, this rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly chiefly composed of cisternae and tubules, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is made up of vesicles and tubules present near the cell membrane, present near the is a nuclear membrane. And what it is the functions, coming to the functions, what is the main function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, as it consists of ribosomes, it involves in protein synthesis. So protein synthesis is a main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this rough endoplasmic reticulum, it also synthesizes the precursors of the enzymes that are required for the formation of lysosomes in association with the Golgi bodies. So lysosomes also formed. And this rough endoplasmic reticulum also gives smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the biogenesis of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is derived from rough endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic reticulum also involves in the formation of lysosomes, and the main function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis, as it consists of ribosomes. So coming to the functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis, and in the case of animals, steroidal hormone synthesis. So steroidal hormones are synthesized. And the detoxification, it is also very, very significant role of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That is, detoxification of the drugs takes place with the association of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It also involves in the formation of spirosomes and lipid synthesis. Even it also involves in the formation of glycogen, and even the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it also involves in the muscle contraction by releasing and uptake of calcium ions. And the endoplasmic reticulum that is present in the muscles is said to be sarcoplasmic reticulum. So like this, it is the main part of endomembrane system, which is a dimorphic cell organelle and which is concerned with the maintenance of the all other cell organelles, means the maintenance of the position of them, and which divides the cell into intraluminal and extraluminal parts.